So the climate change is the main threat for mankind, for humanity. So how you address young people?
So, I mean, first of all, the iron and steel industry is responsible for about 7% of global greenhouse gas emissions. When young people look at the industry, they see this morbid, let's say, dark, gray industry that is emitting a lot of dust and emissions. Now, the topic of climate change becomes more and more prevalent and interesting to everyone in the world, with the effects being apparent and happening in real time. And we move strongly into that sector to now get rid also of this invisible emission part and apply our technologies as much as we can to meet these CO2 reduction targets. And in this regards, it is a highly interesting sector. We have 2 billion tons of capacity being built today, and we need more in the future because all this energy transition will need steel. Wind power, solar power is more steel intensive than any of the fossil-based energy creation methods. So we will need more steel for the future, but we will need it green. So developing these technologies will require bright minds, will require pioneers coming into the industry and bringing into the industry the energy.
Yeah, absolutely. We deal with young people all the time. I think this pressure that comes from society for decarbonization, and particularly in the metals industry, you don't want to buy an electric vehicle made with steel that is not green, or you don't want to live in a green building made with steel that is not green. So society is pressuring the steel industry. And what we see, for example, when we try to recruit young engineers, this is a higher sense of purpose for all of them. When we recruit engineers, for example, we tell them, well, you could be solving yet another technical problem, and there are a million interesting technical problems to be solved. However, the metals industry needs to decarbonize. So this is very touching for this younger generation, and we're attracting talent for this. People want to come, solve technical challenges, and know that they're doing this for a higher purpose.
Thank you, Mr. Tiago. Thank you, Mr. Kleier.
My pleasure.